Why do 70% of people trying to lose weight look for shortcuts? Is Lipo Max the magic fix everyone's hoping for? Let's separate facts from fairy tales. Meet Lipo Max injections, also known as lipotropic shots. They're a mix of vitamins and amino acids with names like B12, methionine, inositol, and choline. The idea? Boost your metabolism, help your liver, and maybe, just maybe, speed up weight loss. But here's the scoop. Experts say the science is shaky. Most studies are small or anecdotal, and big clinical trials are missing. So, are they a miracle? Not quite. They might help with energy, especially if you're low on B12. And supporting your liver is never a bad idea. Still, results vary wildly, side effects are possible, and the FDA doesn't regulate these shots. Bottom line? Lipo Max might give your routine a tiny nudge, but the real magic is still diet and exercise. No shortcuts, just smart choices.